In this video I am going to show you how to blur the background of your footages. I am going to use this video for this particular video. Just drag and drop your footage. Now we have to make a duplicate of our footage. So you can copy and paste it on top, or just hold the Alt key on the keyboard and drag and drop to create the duplicate. Now select your duplicated clip and remove the background. Go to Remove Background and select Auto Removal. Wait for a while for Capcut to remove the background for you. Now it's time to add our blur effect. Go to Effect, then search for blur, then add it to the timeline. And you can drop it on the main clip, but if that is confusing, just make sure your blur effect is in New to Clips. Extend your blur effect to match your videos. Now you can increase or decrease the intensity of your blur, depending on your footage. So when you are done, you can also add some adjustment to your clip to spice things up. So this is how to blur the background of your footages. If you find this video useful, kindly subscribe, like and leave a comment. See you in the next video.